Okay, now I will show you how to remove the screws of the machine. Okay, at the bottom of the machine there will be some screws, and you can remove all the screws as we showed in this video. Okay. Okay, and the back of the machine there are also some screws, and each corner of the machine, yes, also remove it. Okay, now we have removed all the screws out. 搬上来，直接搬上来就行吧。Okay, now we can take the car out like this. 这是什么线？
这是风扇里的那个线，把这个两个拔掉。
哦，要是你路上没有。Okay, disconnected the two wires of the face. Then you can put the back here aside. Now you can see the inner of the machine.
两根那个纵线，
可以。
两根最粗的纵线。
这两个吗？你指着点，你指着。You will see there are two brown wires here. We showed here. 拔了。Okay, after you find the two wires, mark them and then remove the screws. Connect on them. Yes. Then, okay, you can pull out the wires. Then find the wires connected with the screen and pull it out. Okay. Then like this, you can remove all the shells of this machine now. Yes.